right now, this exact second, you are dying. Billions of your cells are killing themselves. And that is the only thing keeping you alive. Every day, about 50 billion of your cells commit suicide. On purpose. Programmed. They have a self-destruct button, and they press it. Without asking you. Here's the sick part. Every one of those cells could have become cancer. So your body kills them first. Cells die, so a tumor never gets born. You're not healing. You're being replaced. Stomach lining? Gone every 4 days. Taste buds? New every 10 days. Skin? A brand new one every month. And here's where it gets strange. In about 7 years, almost none of you remains. Same memories, same face, but nearly every cell brand new. You are not the person who started this video. You're the upgraded copy. Your body doesn't heal, it rebuilds. And it's doing it right now, while you watch. Subscribe to Inner Atlas, anatomy that sounds fake, but isn't.